Alright, so bought the booster over to the bench, and I had marked the holes at the top where I kind of figured that the holes should go. I slid the bracket onto the two lower studs coming out of the firewall where it would fit. Then from there, the two upper studs would hit the plate about here. I paint marked it along the top, along where it was hitting. Brought it over to the bench. First thing I did was the top part of the plate where the old two holes were, I cut that off. Just used a grinder and a cutoff wheel, and I cut that off. And then I center punched the holes where the upper stud should go. Used a smaller drill bit to put a pilot hole, and then came back with the drill and the larger drill bit and cleaned up the holes, made them larger. So now let's go over to the truck and let's test fit it, and let's see if it'll work. So bring it over to the truck, slide these in. Wiggle it around a little bit, and what do we have there? So as you see, the upper two bolt holes line up now. The lower two were already there. It was studs in there. We knocked those studs out, and the bottom part of the plate here needs to be trimmed just a little bit because it actually goes over. It won't sit flush because of the steering shaft and the mounting bracket for everything for that. So I'll come back, I'm gonna mark it here and here, and I'm gonna just use a cutoff wheel to cut that off. Then she should sit flush, and then we don't have the problem with the nut sticking through the firewall. So that's it. That's how you mount the brake booster from a C30 hydraulic brake booster to a older C10.